Well, but you became, I'm going to read their language. You became immediately irate and began yelling at the police officer for pulling him over. As police were standing in front of Richard, he continued to conceal his hands underneath the seat. Richard was told to show his hands, to which he did, but continued to breathe extremely heavy, I don't know what that means, and argue with police. Is there a law against heavy breathing?
No, Your Honor.
Being pulled over by a police officer at 2 o'clock in the morning? I'd be breathing heavy too. Okay.